Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Singapore. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and when you're gonna invest through the link and you're gonna register, you're gonna get $10 for free when you're gonna invest $100 and buy a Bitcoin. Now, when you're gonna do it, you will be here on the dashboard of Coinbase, and now you just want to simply click Bitcoin, view asset. And now buy Bitcoin, pay with, you can simply add a payment method, your card, bank account, and then you can, like, if you charge your wallet, you can go through the wallet and just click here €100, preview buy, and voila, buy now. And this is pretty much it, how you can buy Bitcoin. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.